Hi everyone, Doug Echelberger, Inhabit Real Estate, bringing you the latest Stephen Thomas report. Go ahead and click on the link down below. You'll get a copy of the report and charts and graphs that go along with it. So subject is open houses in his report this week, talking about seeing a lot more open houses in the market. And if you've been driving around, yes, you're definitely seeing a lot more open house signs. Properties are taking longer to sell. Agents are looking at different ways to drive traffic since the showing numbers have been significantly down, kind of as we trailed out of April into May and now into June. And you definitely have more competition, more houses coming on the market. So those agents competing for the small amount of buyers, they're trying to get exposure on their property any way they can. Also, weather has to play in it because our ocean view properties have been stifled over the last couple months because of the June gloom that we have, but also any other area that's out there. The sun always makes a property show in its best light. So this time of year, you'll see a lot more open houses, agents trying to drive that traffic. It also gives those sellers some feedback that they may be missing from the lack of showings, whether their pricing's right, whether there's conditions with the property, feedback that they need to give to those sellers so the sellers can make a choice on their market position, whether or not they need to do a price adjustment, whether or not they need to make some changes with the property to meet that demand that's out there. So expect this trend to definitely continue through the summer because I think we're going to be dealing with a higher level of inventory. Prices still haven't adjusted, although we're seeing a lot of our market making adjustments in prices. Sellers trying to get ahead of that curve as we kind of head into July. And then as we get into August, you'll start to see things change as far as where demand starts to trail off. And those sellers that want to sell are making some quick adjustments to try and get ahead of that curve. If you have any questions regarding the market, give me a call. My name's Doug Echelberger. I'm with Inhabit Real Estate. Have a great day.